In this video, I'll be showing you how to unlock your Samsung phone if you've forgotten the password without factory resetting your phone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, there's two very easy methods to go ahead and do this. The first one is entirely just factory resetting your phone, but that's going to basically wipe all your data. However, the second method, for example, if you're on a phone contract or anything like that, you have to go ahead and contact your carrier using a phone, obviously a different phone, because you're going to be locked out of your main one. Just let them know what your number is and let them know that you're locked out. And basically, you might have to make a visit or you might have to ship your phone out to them, but they're going to be able to reset your phone password. They will then give you a default phone password, and then you'll be allowed to reset that to whatever you want. And then just make sure once you've reset it, save your password somewhere that's not on your phone, for example, like a notepad or anything like that. Now, if you're not in favor of those two options, the final thing that I would go ahead and recommend doing is going over to your settings. So I'm going to go to them right now. Once you're here, scroll down, and one of the options that you're going to go ahead and see is accounts and backup. So go ahead and click on that. And then basically, if you have a Samsung backup, which you might not even realize you've had one, you can go ahead and restore your data by clicking on this. I have no backups, but you should definitely check if you do. And then also for Google Drive, you might also have a Google backup as well. And then you can also do a smart switch where you might have had a backup on, a drive or anything like that. You can do it from this area right here, and it's available on literally any Samsung that you're using. And yeah, it's as simple as that.